Over here I've taken watermelon and these are the rinds. We need 2 pieces of rinds, and over here I've chopped little of the watermelon into pieces. So now I'll just take some in this bowl and extract its juice, and see the juice is just coming out all by itself. It is so nice. You can do this with the fork also, but with the hand it gets crushed well. You can do it in the mixie also. Now this I'm just making a pulp out of it. This is only the juice. So now I'll just add some pure almond oil into this juice which we had extracted. Just 2 or 3 drops. That's more than enough. So here I have taken this almond oil and watermelon juice. So I'll just take a cotton and I'll just apply it from the down of my face, the bottom of my face, and just keep cleansing it. This is a good cleanser. So just keep cleansing your face like this, and it will give a light massage to your face. And don't do it with hard hands, just do it with soft hands like how I'm doing. And if you feel comfortable, you can use your fingers also. I'm just using a cotton bud over here, and I'm scrubbing it and making the skin cleanse it very well. So you can apply this on your neck also like how I'm doing. I'm cleansing it so well. You can put this on your hands, legs, the whole body, and then go for a shower. You'll feel so refreshing. When I was applying this, I felt so cool and nice. So now I'm massaging over my hands also because I had to go for a shower anyway. So I said whatever is remaining, I'll just put on my arms also. And my arms also felt so cool and refreshing because the watermelon juice was so refreshing. And when you drink watermelon, you feel so happy. That is how even the skin was feeling so happy and nourished. So I'm still massaging it with light hands. So I gave it a good massage and I'm still massaging. It took me like 4 or 5 minutes and I was feeling so happy. And you can massage this for 10 minutes also. It will remove away all your dead skin, all your blackheads and all the dust and oil which you had accumulated on your face by cooking and cleaning in the house. So it was so refreshing. It is so good. You can see I'm still scrubbing on my hands also still. I'm feeling so happy that I was saying that if I was in the full shower, I would have put it on my whole body itself. It was so nourishing. So once you're finished doing the cleansing, now comes the scrubbing. So I'm just taking a little sugar over here and I'll put it on these 2 pieces. And this is the powdered sugar. Make sure that it's a powdered sugar. Now we'll do some scrubbing. Sugar and the scrub. I'll just rub this 2 pieces together so that I don't waste much time. So I just take it and rub it in both the cheeks and the whole face, and do it with very light hands. Go gentle with this because there is sugar. It can even slightly give a cut on your face or your hands wherever you're doing. So just be very gentle and just rotate it like how I'm rotating with very soft hands. So I finished doing this, and now we'll go to the next step. Next, we'll do the facial pack. So now I've just washed my face with the plain water. So I'm just wiping my face and we'll get ready to do our facial. Now I'm just taking half a spoon of rice flour powder. So I'm just crushing it well and making it a good fine paste. And we'll put this on our face. So here I'm trying to apply it on my face, and there'll be little chunks of watermelon, but that's okay. You can just when you're putting it on your face, it'll actually stick, and once it sticks, you can just go to the bathroom and just sit and wait, and you can scrub with those watermelon pieces which were chunk. So I've applied over here. I'm saying just wait for 10 minutes and then wash your face off. See, I've applied the rice flour and watermelon pieces even on my hands also. It was so refreshing. The pieces of watermelon were so soothing and cooling. It was 90 degrees temperature and I was feeling cool, and it was a night time because I don't like to do this facial when I have to go out. I don't want the sun to expose my skin. Anyway, I've got a lot of tanning because I've been walking a lot, so that's okay. See over here, I've cleaned my face so well. So just see my look at my face. I just had a cold water face wash, and I don't need to apply any soap or face wash, just plain water, and it should be cold. Just see the shine. I'm so happy with this facial also, and this is my second time. I've already done it first time, so I wanted to share this on YouTube. I hope you all liked it, and I hope you all will also do, and let me know below in the comments how did you all feel this facial. It's so cooling, soothing, and nourishing to the skin. I'm so happy, and the rice powder almost took out all the dirt and grim and oil from the day's cooking and the day's sweat. I'm feeling so happy.